Let's set up your brokerage account together so you're not doing it alone and you set it up the right way. The setup of your brokerage account is your foundation. Do it right and you'll trade with clarity and confidence, and it'll actually auto take profit for you or stop you out so you don't lose too much money. It's really nice actually. This will help you spot risk before they bite you. A lot of traders overlook this, and if you mess this part up, will allow themselves to destroy accounts. Tech issues, derail your focus, and flying blind on your actual account drawdown allowed. And we need to make sure you always know where your drawdown is at all times. Since we're using Tradovate, my top pick that I just explained earlier in this video, here's a foolproof 12-step walkthrough that it shouldn't take any time. While you're watching this, open up your broker account and Apex dashboard to follow along step by step. Step number 1. You need to log into your Apex dashboard and grab your Tradovate credentials on the right-hand portion of the home screen. You're going to make sure and copy and paste those credentials for step number 2. So as you can see, they're right here under Tradovate account. You're going to copy and paste those, and then we're going to head over to Tradovate. So step number 2, head over to trader.tradovate.com and use those credentials to log in. I'm already logged in, so make sure you just go log in. Now, here's something different that I'm not doing right now for step number 3. If you're a brand new user, make sure you sign all documents as a non-professional trader. And then step number 4, when you're logging in, once you've signed all documents, make sure you are accessing a simulated environment, not a live environment. All these accounts are simulated trading, not live trading. Step number 5, once you're in Tradovate dashboard, go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click on the settings button. In add-ons, within settings, you're going to click on add-ons. We're going to activate TradingView. This allows you to connect to TradingView for free. It doesn't cost you any money, which is where you will be executing all your trades when trying to pass your evaluation. So as you can see, mine is already activated. Make sure yours is activated. You can kind of ignore all the other add-ons. Now let's go to accounts in step number 7. We're going to pick on your evaluation you're trying to pass. I have several, but you should only have one. And we're going to set up our daily profit trigger, which for me is $500, and your daily loss limit, which is $300. Now for you, that could look different, but make sure you are setting these up so it auto sets this so you do not lose accounts, and it will protect you. Now let's clean up the dashboard. So we're going to exit out of settings and we're going to go into our dashboard, and we're going to make it easy to know your drawdown at all times. Once you have deleted all charts and unnecessary items within your Tradovate brokerage, go to the top left-hand corner of your screen, and we're going to click the big plus button on the top right-hand corner. So let's first clean up everything, delete all these, Super Dom and our positions, and then we're going to go to that top left-hand corner of the screen. Now, everything you see here is drag and drop. So if you ever want to add your charts back, this is how you find them. So we're going to easily find our accounts. We're going to drag and drop those, and then we are going to find our positions tab. And we're going to drag and drop those. I like to keep my Tradovate dashboard extremely clean. I don't like a lot of clutter. These are the only 2 things you need to use. You don't need charts or anything else. Step number 9, on the accounts table, on the top right-hand corner, you're going to click the settings cog. So within the accounts, click the settings cog, and you're going to select columns. Okay, so we need cash amount, daily open P&L, dollar total P&L, and distance to drawdown net liquid. And then we're going to save that. These 4 features are going to show you the exact dollar amount in your account balance. If an account happens to have an open trade running, what your daily profit or loss was in that account, and lastly, the exact amount of drawdown you have in each account. So the distance, this last one right here, is the exact amount of drawdown I have in all my accounts. Step number 11, I need you to go over to tradingview.com, and I need you to log into your charts, and at the top right-hand corner of the screen, click the button Trade. So as you see, top right-hand corner, Trade. Now to step number 12, and this is the last step of this whole process, is you're going to find Tradovate and use the same logins from your Apex dashboard to log in. So we're going to find Tradovate. Now we're going to make sure up here it's not live. We're clicking demo is selected. And if live is selected, you're going to run into login issues and you're going to run into process. So we're going to click demo and make sure we connect. It's going to send us over to Tradovate, and we're going to log in there and use those same credentials. And then boom, now you're logged in and can trade from TradingView with your Apex eval. Done. Keep Tradovate open during the trades for real-time monitoring. I always have it like in a little tab next to me when I'm trading, so I always can see if my counts have maybe messed up and actually opened a trade I didn't know, and I can manually make sure they're all okay. The setup gives you total control, turning potential pitfalls into advantages. If this helped at all, Like, subscribe, and comment on your biggest takeaway or question you might have down below. Follow Maniac Trades on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for daily insights. I'd love to connect with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's conquer 2026 together.